spent your vacation very nicely? I am also fine, and after many days, I am very happy to see you. Okay, beta? Okay, Ahana, Arushi, Sharonna, Angshika, everybody. Okay, those who are here, everybody I am telling, very good morning to everybody. So, please, today, open your copy. I will revise you from your text, and your term 1 exam will be held after some time. You will be getting notice, and after that also today or tomorrow maybe you will get the notice, you will get syllabus from your e-portal, everything you will go. Okay. So, please today if you want you can open your copy, also if you don't want you can answer me. Class 1 English. Today I will revise you the chapter Mittu the Yellow Mango. Mittu and the Yellow Mango. Mittu and the Yellow Mango. Okay, if any problem you can write to me. Okay. So, Mittu was a parrot, you know that, a green parrot with a red beak. One day, Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. All this because you will have to give the exam in MCQ form. MCQ form means multiple choice question. Last time also you have given in your PT1 exam. This time also you will give your exam in the MCQ form. So, from the line by line you have to read. Mittu was a parrot. If I am asking that who was Mittu, or number 1, Mittu was a number 1 red parrot, number 2 green parrot, number 3 yellow parrot. So, obviously it is. Please tell me, those who are listening to me, 3 people are typing. Okay, let me see the answer. Question number 2. We can answer that he loved to fly, he looked down, he saw a big yellow green parrot. Obviously, Jareen, Obronil, Sharonna, everybody has given the green parrot. So, we can take it in the green parrot. Rishabh also, Arushi also, everybody has given the answer. So, Mittu like mangoes, and another thing also, please read, he saw a big yellow mango on the tree, on a tree. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. And so, here also on a tree, please you can remember this, notice this sentence. So, I can tell that he saw dash on a tree. Number 1, balloon, big balloon. Number 2, red balloon. And number 3, yellow mango. So, answer is that big yellow mango. Obviously, it's very good. Obronil has given the answer. So, big yellow mango. Okay. Number 3. Another thing I can read also. Mittu like mangoes. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. He flew down to the tree. Caw, caw, go away. This is my tree, said a voice. Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Big, cannot see the lower portion. Okay, okay, beta. I will not write. Obviously, I will write in the upper portion. Okay. So, here on a tree, after the option is there, number 1, number 2 option is there, number big mango, big balloon, number 2 red balloon, number 3 yellow mango. So, obviously option is there, yellow mango. I want to eat the yellow mango. After that, he was telling that caw, caw, go away. Who told that? Caw, caw, go away. This is my tree, said a voice. Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Caw, caw, go, go, the crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow. He flew away. He flew away. So, to whom he was afraid? Okay, to whom he was afraid? Okay, Angshika has written that done. Okay, so next question I am writing that question number 3. So, number 3, to whom Mittu was afraid. Mittu was afraid. Number 1, monkey. Number 2, big black crow. Number 3, squirrel. So, please write the answer. Okay. So, here you know that is big black crow. The crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow. He flew away. So, when he was afraid, he flew away. Okay. So, answer is that big black crow. Number 2, answer number 3 is like this. Number 4, we can read again, next page. Mittu saw a red balloon. It was under the tree. Please notice that. It was under a tree. Okay. So, what did he see under a tree? A red balloon, yellow mango or a green mango? Mittu saw a red balloon under a tree. So, 2 types of question I can give. First one, Mittu saw a dash balloon under a tree. Mittu saw dash under a tree. And number also, another thing I can read is that Mittu saw red balloon dash the tree. So, on the tree or under the tree. So, 2 types of question I can give from here. So, number 4, I am just writing the question here. After that, I can write. Mittu saw dash under the tree. Option number here, I am writing that. Number 1, a green mango. Number 2, a red balloon. And number 3, A yellow mango. Red balloon. Very good. Adrij, Rishabh, everybody has given the answer. One thing, please remember, those things you will be going to do any mistakes, like this type of balloon spelling. Balloon, B-A-L-L, Please remember all those things, okay? I am not telling that you have done the mistakes, but all the spelling, please remember, okay? Balloon, B-A-L-L. So, a red balloon under the tree. So, two types of question I can make from here. He picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree. These things also. Mittu went behind the tree. So, after that he pecked the balloon with his red beak. Pecked means just he was pierced. Pecked and pierced, same meanings are there. So, pecked means actually that is that by his sharp beak. Okay, beak you know, sharp beak, that he made a hole, small hole, that balloon they can ফুটো করে দিয়েছে. Okay, in Bengali, pierced and pecked, two similar meanings are there. So, Mittu pecked the balloon. Where? With his red beak, behind the crow. Pop, the balloon burst. Mittu was very naughty, no? It made loud noise. And caw, said the crow. And at this time that, yes, red balloon, you have given the answer. So, here, caw, said the crow, and he fell off the tree because the bursting sound was too much that crow fell from the tree. Caw, caw, a big gun is after me, said the crow. He flew away. He never came back to the tree. Mittu came to the tree. He ate big yellow mango. Yummy, yummy, what a nice mango. He said he was very happy. Clever Mittu. So, who was clever? Mittu. Question number 3, I am just rubbing. So, we can answer another question. So, who was clever? Number 1, Mittu. Number 2, big black crow. Number 3, none of this. So, you know that who was clever? Yes, Sharma has written Mittu. Mittu was very clever. Not only clever, he was very naughty also, because he just popped up the balloon and it was the story. So, here you know that parrot, crow, all these things. And these 4 or 5 questions just I made for you. So, many questions we can make, okay. And also like this Mittu story, I think you like it very much. And also term 1 exam will be very easy for you. Like this merry-go-round, horse, and another poem is there for you. Another poem, for that I think you know One Little Kitten. Please remember this One Little Kitten. Sometime here so many numbers are there. 2 big cats, 3 baby butterflies, 4 big rats, 5 fat fishes, 6 sad seals. So, we can give the fill in the blanks from these poems. 6 sad seals, 7 silly seagulls, 8 happy eels. So, Anshika has written that it is done. Everybody, and I think you will get the question from your syllabus. You will get the syllabus also in your e-portal, but today or through Wednesday you will get the syllabus. Okay. 13 alligators, 14 whales, 15 donkeys, 15 tails. So, all these please remember the number, okay, because this is your MCQ. Besides that also, if you are not given the exam in MCQ also, that time will give this poem to memorize. So, sometime we can give fill in the blanks. Here also we will give the fill in the blanks. I think the exam will be very easy, and only you will read the stories and poems very nicely. Then only you can give the answer. So, from today onwards revision has already started. Again we will do the revision, and I think you will also do revision in your house, but you should read little bit, not more. Okay. Math, English, EVS, only you can read thoroughly. I think everybody knows the reading, so thoroughly you can read in your house. That is enough, and I think you have spent your holiday very nicely and you are staying safe and healthy, but now it is time to change the season. Please be careful, sometime you will get cold and cough. So, please be safe and healthy. Okay, Shubha Vijaya Adrij, everybody I have told that Shubha Vijaya. Okay, those who are present I can just tell the name. Those who are present, please write the yes, beta, Adrij, everybody. You are, after many days I have seen to you, I am very happy, and please beta, those who are present only write P, yes, anything, okay. Oindri, Rishabh, Ujan, Avronil, Adrij, Ahona, Sharonna, Antarip, Oritri, Antara, Rishan, Andorina, Mefuzur, Zarin Antara is typing. What is Zarin? Sultana present? Okay, beta. Anushka Nandi, now. Andorina also. Okay, okay, I have seen your present. Okay. Okay, beta. Okay, then bye.